Hello everyone, welcome back to AZ Network channel. So after sharing a lot of videos how to buy Theta token, how to buy XRP or any other token in my channel, so I got a lot of comment and questions that the steps are kind of hard for them to do it. So in this video, I'm gonna show you in the really easy way how to buy any of those tokens like XRP or Theta if you are in the US. So let's jump in. All right, guys. So first of all, in this video, I'm going to use Uphold because Uphold listed all this coin that we want, like XRP or Theta token. So I'm gonna use Uphold, which is really reliable and which is really like a secure. I have my XRP right here. My Brave browser is connected as well. So I have more XRP, but I just keep it this and it's really safe and I really recommend Uphold. So first of all, I'm going to share the link of Uphold in the description below, so you can just go ahead and click on Uphold. So what you need to do is when you open Uphold, just go ahead and create your wallet. That's all you need to do. So when you create your wallet, so I already have a wallet and my account. So after creating that, it will show you this screen. So what you need to do is you can buy it like a whatever like you want. Let's say like the way you want to buy it is a credit card or debit card or like if you have any other token you want to send it to Uphold or um, any other way that you want to do it. So, but I'm going to show you how to do it through if you have a debit card or any credit card. So what you need to do just in the transaction, just select the bank or debit or credit card. So click on this button and it shows the card number. So I'm gonna put this information really quick. Okay, guys, after putting all your information, just click Add Card. So when you have your card, it say um, how many USD you want. I'm gonna just check $10 USD, and I wanna buy, let's say XRP. Actually, I'm gonna buy um, Theta token. Just you need to keep going. There's a lot of coins that listed by Uphold. So whatever you want to buy, just click on that one. I'm gonna there's a lot of good coin, Polkadot, Nano, and Brand. I'm gonna choose Theta right here, and I'm gonna get 1.4 Theta. I'm just gonna I use that one for test and preview the deposit, and you can just put a note by Theta token right here and confirm the deposit. Okay, so it will ask to send code to your phone number. So because Bank of America, I have a Bank of America, so it's for security reason. So I'm gonna hit continue, and I need to check my phone. Here I got the code number and click submit. Yes, guys. So if you see right here, so I got my SETA token right away. Like there is no waiting and there is no any info more information required. That's all you need to do. Just connect your credit card or debit card. If you create it, if you connect it already, so for the next time you don't need it, and that's just select your debit card again and buy whatever cryptocurrency you want. Like if you want to buy Bitcoin, you can buy Bitcoin. If you want to XRP or Ethereum or any other, so just go ahead and do it. That's all about the video. Really easy. Just in like I did all in 4 minutes. So I hope you guys like this video and is making easier for you guys to buy whatever cryptocurrency you want. And you can save it right here, or if you want to send to anywhere else, you can just click on the wallet address and send it to whatever address you want. Um, that's all about the Uphold, which I really recommend it. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it with your friends to support my videos. Thank you so much.